Gypsy dog? What was that? Ooh, adorableness. Wait. She's trying to go through the doggy door. Hey. But why is it not focusing? It won't focus. Wait. What? Okay, here you go. What the heck? Okay, there. Okay, there. Hey. Stop moving. Stop moving. Don't you dare try to eat her food. Seriously? I'm telling Cookie that you're eating her food. That's it.
I think he wants to be a chef. No, Dad, we don't need you as chef. You can go back outside and play the game with the little men.
Hey Cookie, Gypsy's eating your food. Bro, why is it so cold out here? What the heck? Hey Cookie. I'm going inside. Oh. Hey, tell Cookie that she can't be killing. Boy, wait, no, she's supposed to be killing us. Okay. That's gross. Ugh. Oh my. Bro. What killed it? Okay. There's 2 huge holes in the mouse. Actually, wait, let me flip it over. What the freak happened? The camera. What the heck? Okay, there. What if I flip it over? Bro, what did that? Is that like a snake bite? Oh. Gypsy, don't eat it. You can't eat it. Did you do that? That's like the size of Gypsy's teeth. So, did Gypsy do that? Oh my gosh. Hey Levi, I was just making a video of Gypsy, and there's a dead mouse, and it has 2 big, like, I know. I saw it. What's it? Show my son the video. Yeah, but I think it was like a